Fungus is a very common skin infection in which sometimes toenails and other fingernails also get infected. We will explore if home remedies like oregano oil are good for toenail fungus. Let's first understand the challenges of toenail fungus infection before the remedy. Toenail fungus, onychomycosis, is a very stubborn infection that takes months or years to go. It is caused by Candida species fungi. Toenail fungus begins as a white or yellow spot under the tip of your nails. As it grows deeper, your nails discolor, thicken and crumble at the edge. Oregano oil can help treat toenail fungus. It is effective, but you have to have patience. Oregano oil has carvacrol and thymol as the two main compounds that are natural fungicides and antibacterial agents. They kill and stop fungal growth on your toenails and fingernails. Another compound called terpenes, also a very powerful antibacterial, acts on fungus to kill it. Oregano oil also has many antioxidants that helps to improve your immune system and fight against free radicals. Though you can use it directly on the fungus, it is better to use it with carrier oil so that it doesn't irritate the surrounding skin. You need both an oral and topical application to get good results. For the topical application, mix 3 drops of oregano oil with 10 drops of coconut oil. Coconut oil is a good carrier oil for most essential oils. Apply the mixture on the nail and the surrounding skin as well under the nail if possible. The lauric acid in coconut oil will also help kill fungus if any in the surrounding skin. You can do this 2 to 3 times daily. For oral application, add 2 to 3 drops of oregano oil in a teaspoon of coconut oil. Mix it well and consume. The fungus thrives in the moist environment, so avoid wearing shoes as far as possible. Wear rubber flip-flops instead. Never dilute oregano oil in water. Water and oil form emulsion and the original benefits are lost. Bottom line is that oregano oil is good for toenail fungus. Try it out. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.